This presentation provides an answer to the competition jobs open data challenge. There are many sectors in the UK which are facing skill shortages. In other words, the labour market could be more efficient by reducing skill deficiencies. At the same time, open data is increasingly being published by governments for anyone to access and make effective use for good causes. Hence, we make use of the open data set called UKCES Employer Skill Survey to help fill the skill shortage gaps in certain UK sectors. The result is a multi-sided online platform that recommends jobs in sectors with skill shortages to our users. This will make the labour market more effective in the future. Let's look at the issue of UK skill shortage on the next slide. UK productivity is still below the crisis levels. Looking into the future, if we are to achieve sustained economic growth and global competitiveness, investment in the skills and talents of the UK workforce will be crucial. The vacancies due to the skill shortages increased by more than 60% from 2011 to 2013. Total UK training expenditure decreased by 2.4 billion to 42.9 billion in 2013. This poses serious risk to the health and survival of businesses and to their bottom line performance. At the same time as a growing shortage of certain skills, there is also evidence of a surplus and mismatch in other areas, with the survey finding that almost half of employers report having staff with skills and qualifications beyond those required for the current job. We provide suggested jobs for people based on their interests and skills. Hence, the problem we're trying to solve is filling the skills shortage in specific sectors. Such job occupations include mechanical engineers, geophysicists, and landfill engineers. We provide an online platform that is based on the UKCES Employer Skills Survey dataset. The user first inputs their sector preference, skills, and qualification. If it matches, the platform will either link the user to the suitable categories of jobs in the job directory or provide a list of alternative sectors that fits the skill set that the user has. If the sector preference, skills, and qualification does not match, the platform will either provide a list of alternative sectors that he can enter. If not, the platform will provide a list of training centers for the user if they choose to pursue the sector of their interest but lack the skill. At the end, the user will be led to a job directory where they will be able to find a job. So this is the overall process. On one side there is the job directory of third-party websites, and on the other side individual profiles, which include skills, sector preference, and the general description. If both the sector of interest and the respective skill set match, the platform will provide a list of sectors that matches the skills the applicant has, which includes the preferred sector as well. The whole process is automated from the input of skills and sector preference to applying for a job. We use the UKCES Employer Skills Survey Dataset 2013, which provides information for employers to identify sector skill deficiencies and for individuals in sectors experiencing particular skill shortages. The survey provides a wealth of data on these issues, and we can investigate change over time on a consistent basis right across the UK labour market. The UK Commission's Employer Skills Survey gives us reliable, timely, and valuable insight into the skills issues being faced by employers and the action they are taking to address this. More than 91,000 businesses across all the sectors participating in the research. In support of the economic turnaround, the survey highlights some positive trends. However, it also identifies some clear priorities for action. These are used for recommending jobs in industries experiencing skill shortages. Further datasets include a web crawler which crawls relevant websites to categorize the relevant skills for each sector. It filters out keywords from job descriptions with a technology similar to Turnitin and Quit. The final data set is published by the National Career Service. It allows us to access training center data including location, contact, and program information. As our business model is based on a multi-sided market structure, we are creating value for both users and for companies who benefit from acquiring these skilled workers. The individual users benefit from being informed of their skills required for their sector of interest and also recommend other sectors which their skills match to. Therefore, our innovative difference to other jobs directory sites is to offer our users a comprehensive overview of where they can best make use of their skills. In the instance that the user wishes to enter the sector of their interest despite not matching all the skills required, they benefit from being recommended specific training centers and directed to appropriate courses to gain the relevant skills of qualifications. In terms of social and economical impact, When recommending other sectors to users given their skill sets, our algorithm prioritizes recommending sectors which are facing skill shortages. This is where we make effective use of our open data by helping to fill in these shortages and creating a more balanced labor market in the long run. The value is then created for the companies in those sectors which lack workers with specific skill in demand. Additional value is also created for the third-party job directory companies as they are potentially provided with a greater pool of customers. Here's the bibliography. Thanks for listening.